Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Braun flexible work lights from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. This is the Braun flexible work lights, item number 56256. It is a 110 lumen. High and low modes. It says includes 3 AAA batteries. It says up to 6 hours of runtime. Swivel hanging hook, mount and attach anywhere. It says super bright reflective, super efficient and bright light. Heavy duty flex arm allows for multiple positions. Strong magnetic base for hands-free use. Distributor Harbor Freight, made in China. Magnetic base. Let's see here, same thing with the front. We got strong magnetic for hands-on free use. We got a grill, you can put it at the grill. You know what, guys, this is perfect because every time I do some grilling, I'm outside. I don't have the best light ever in my patio, and I'm always pulling my 390 lumen slim bar LED work light, and I don't really like pulling that out because I'd rather pull something this cheaper, something that I don't know, something like this. Would rather pull and put it by the, if it gets burned by the grill or something, or if you get stains on it, it doesn't matter because it's cheap and it's under $10. Maybe we can, let's see here. We could just tear it open, yank it out. We don't even need the knife. Nothing else in here. Alright, we got the light. Actually, if you're just gonna use it by itself without the magnet, I wouldn't recommend it because it's pretty flimsy, If you're gonna hang it, I guess you can hang it. It's kind of hard to get out, so you need to. So this is not really the best. See, you can't reach it. You gotta put a screwdriver or something, a pencil or whatnot. But yeah, this is probably not the best. Maybe we can hang it, on the computer. I'm not gonna hang it on the computer, but because of the magnet that we have, it might affect the screen. But let's see. The hook seems to be okay, pretty strong. Not the best. I think we've seen better hooks, but it should hold it fine. Then we got some magnets. I will be testing the magnets outside right now. I'll go to the vehicle and try it out. Let's see here what else we have here. This seems to be pretty good. It's actually very firm, so it's not, it's not the, it can hold it like that if you need it. So you can see that it's pretty good quality, pretty decent. I wonder where the batteries go though. Probably in here. Alright, we got the 3 LEDs. We got 3 LEDs there. We got an on and off button here, right here. Pretty bright. Not too bad for a $10 light. It's 110 lumens, so not too bad. Also, you got 2 modes here. Let's see, first mode. Oh yeah, so you got a bright mode, and then a less bright. Okay. Alright, so this is the inside. It goes in through these tabs right here. So when you open, yeah, I guess you open it this way. You got 3 of those tabs, and then you got some Thunderbolt batteries from Harbor Freight, which these are the medium grade. Like I said, the blue ones are the better grade, the top of the line Harbor Freight type of batteries, and those are pretty cheap with the coupon. You can wait until they're on sale and just stack up. Like I said, I'm not really worried about these. I used to be worried about these because these used to be expensive. Energizer and Duracell are really expensive. You got some sort of nut there. So pretty basic. Just take out the battery, see if there's anything back there. No, just nothing really. If you want to take it apart, you got 4 screws here. They are regular screws. Then it just goes back in. Just line up the tabs here, and then just when you hear a click, then pretty much in there. I gotta say, this mag is pretty strong. Not too bad. It even holds it up like that. Not too bad. Pretty good quality there for the magnet. Let's try this on the vehicles. But we can use the hook on one of these. The hook works. I mean, it's not the best hook ever, but it'll work. I can see this breaking over time though. It's kind of flimsy, but for this light, I guess for now it does work. You can just point it anywhere. That's a nice little idea here. Not idea, but feature on this. Where's the button on this thing? Okay, so you could see it. You get some light, and we got daylight, so pretty strong light to have. It's mostly like a spotlight. It's not really like an all-around light. It's mostly like a spotlight, I would say. So you guys see there. And then let's try the magnet, see if we can stick the magnet here in the truck. Metal pieces. Alright, we got found a metal piece over here. This side. See, there's a metal piece there. So it's a good thing we still got some metal on this truck. And that's the light right there. It's not being held by anything else but the magnet. So I guess it works. And then you can just point it down like so if you're working on the truck. I mean, for 10 bucks, what else, it works. The only thing I don't like is the hook. Other than that, I think this light's perfect. For what it, for the price, for doing some quick work around the truck, or some grill if you're gonna be grilling after hours. Stick it in the grill. Alright, yeah. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one.